Hey guys, as you can see, we started at 10 in the morning and we did most of it. Because of poor planning, I didn't account for everything that I was gonna need. We ended up getting some stuff from here from the house, and since, like I said, once I start something I want to finish it, I didn't wait on the post to actually get reinsure, or how can I say this? Oh, they moved when we searched the fence, and you know, I guess that's what happens when I do things like this. But I don't know what to say. Also, what I did is I didn't go down 1 foot. I actually laid it in the front. I don't know if you can tell. So all along the fence I laid a foot this way, so if the dogs start scratching, they're gonna meet up with the fence. Hopefully that'll deter them. And that's gonna be the door. But like I said, without proper planning, this is what you get, and you end up lacking 2x4s and a whole door, I guess. Well, next time more than likely you're gonna see chickens in here.